awakwazi ukufunda ngoba ibane azikhanyi yastop load shedding yabuyisa value towards life yomuntu omnyama. Ngilandela indoda eyavumela amagupta sikhulumeni ngawo asingasaba amagupta because thina we don't have the wrong narrative ngamagupta. Babu Khomo ngithela eqaleni mangikhuluma ngathi if you want to trace i-origin yamagupta landela uzobona ukuthi kuThabo Mbeki bebekhona bebesebenzela bani bebesebenzela ama-Ruperts amagupta man. Landela uzobona ukuthi kuMandela amagupta ebekhona ebesebenzela bani amagupta kuMandela ebesebenzela ama-Ruperts kuyiqhila zabelungu bethatha umnotho ebelutha amagupta but uyazi ukuthi mabelutha beluthela abelungu. It was glorified, it was nice. The problem started when the Guptas were looting for black people. As long as Amagupta were looting, and that is the problem that we have, Bab Khomo, in South Africa. Anything that is done by white, right? The same Guptas. Uguti nje thina abantu abamnyama, we don't control ama media spaces. If it were so, nathi besizobhala ama-articles ngokuthi amagupta alutha kangakanani eluthela ama-Ruperts. Besizobhala ukuthi they've been looting this country for the Ruperts from Mandela's term to Thabo Mbeki's term. Looting azange iqala nge-administration kaJacob Zuma, yaqala nge-administration kaMandela. Amagupta subsidiary company owners of the Ruperts bethatha umnotho bewuqinisa ngapha emabhunwini and everybody was happy. There was no article ethi they are evil. There was no article ebademonizayo. The problem started umsholozi makavuma ethi lento benilokho niyenzela amabhunu yenzeni niyenzeleni abantu abamnyama. Baqala amagupta agula ama-Ruperts ahlanya because they own media. Baqala Sexin World Shipping, publish amagupta everywhere, vilified them and demonized them and got rid of them in this country. Why? Because they were touching the economy to reverse it to the black life. They were touching the economy, bebuyisa 5% yomnotho. 5% it was enough to drive a white man pink until waze wabhala zonke itori ngokuthi amagupta amademoni kanjani, and we saw a problem. Now, lana ku MK silethwe i-common cause of black economic liberation. And unfortunately, Babu Khomo, nami, I don't expect Unhlamulo to be here. Don't expect any of the leaders who must represent the mandate that they, and I don't question the withdrawal of a case. You know why? It's because there is an educated mind by the name of John Hlophe ohleli lapha ku MK. He would have never allowed that case to be withdrawn if it had no premise of a bigger victory. I, Babu Khomo, trust a mind that has went to school to liberate itself. Ifunde according to the constituencies that govern this so-called democracy. You want to tell me ukuthi uHlophe njengoba ehleli lapha ephethe ama degrees nama honors amaningi kangaka, he would have allowed anything to tamper with this case? Engeke izibe nemiphumela positive, constructive, powerful. No, it would have never happened. So let's not sit here sloko si busy sijabulisana nezitha sloko sixoxa ukuthi icase withdrawilwe icase wenze ukuthi hey, I trust the judgment of that leadership, and the movement, it will not turn into cope. Angilandeli izinto eziswak mina Babu Khomo. Na lesa sikhathi ngangimncane ngidlala ibhola ngangingadlalela ama team aswak, ngangayifuni i-team engiyibonayo ukuthi izolose. I-MK will not lose. I-problem yethu Babu Khomo, as people, we are not patient through the foundation phase. Indlu mayakhiwa kuqala ku foundation. then from ifoundation ke manje bese uyakhuphuka ke uza ngamabonda bese mawuqeda uyafulela. Ile party lena is a couple of months old. We are at our foundation stage. We have achieved a lot. We see ourselves with so many seats in parliament. Now, we will not become a political rhetorical a party ezohamba iyolwa ilwela ihlalo and feel ukuthi it should be us engaba sihleli lapha, it should be us. No, time will sift people out. Isikhathi babukhomo sizozisefela abantu. Abantu ekungamelekanga babe separlamente bazovezwa isikhathi. Abantu ekungamelekanga ba represente imandate yabantu eparlamente bazosefwa. Angeke basefwe umuntu kodwa bazozisefa. Leaders are not made, they are born. And in order to represent a political constituency at national level, you need to have political national consciousness. And if you don't have, unfortunately, it's not a TikTok live. Ezohambi keep abantu ehlalweni ukuthi basuke eparlamente then kungena abanye. No, it's only time that will prove that to be true. So let us give our leadership time. Let us also admire umsebenzi owenziwe uJacob Mhlanganyelwa Nxamalala Jikijela Mkhonto Zuma. So admire it would have never happened in a million years where you would actually understand ukuthi ANC iqabane ne-Freedom Charter. It is only through the expository mind of Jacob Zuma where you are able to have such dynamics. Lapho ubona khona umhlaba, ubona khona agriculture, ubona khona higher education, ubona khona ama-strategic positions that are going to empower a black life being handed over to former colonizers and colonialist and white monopoly capital in disregard of a black life. So you would have never gotten to see them. You only see them because Umsholozi took a stand to show you, I'm not the problem here. Nayi problem. Intangangixoshelwa nayi. Sasiyabona sonke today ukuthi into Umsholoza wayeyixoshelwa ukuprotecta economic span towards the black life. Sasiyabona sonke namhlanje ukuthi kahle kahle into yayixabanisa Umsholozi nama comrade ku ANC. Kwakuyile yokuthi akafuna ukunikezela ngomuntu omnyama emabhunwini. That is why ngihleli la babukhoma yikho into engangikhipha ku MK. As long as ngibona uHelen Zille egijima ngalendlela egijima ngayo ezama ukubulala umkhonto wesizwe, hayi ngihleli la ku MK. Into ezondwa umlungu ngiyithanda kakhulu ngoba umlungu uyazithanda izinto ezingichabalalisayo. Umlungu ngisho babukhoma nasefemini nasendaweni yokusebenza ngahlubone umuntu omnyama ethandwa umlungu yazi ukuthi lowo muntu omnyama umdayisi wabantu bakhe. I even have the guts on this live ukuthi ngasho ngithi almost over 70% yabantu engama manager nama supervisors, they did not get there on merit. They got there because they can sell their black brothers out very easily. Umlungu akayipromote into yomuntu omnyama unless icindezela abantu bebala lakhe. So ngiyekeni mina ne-MK yami seningahamba nina nihanjiswe ukuthi ama-court ku-withdraw ama-case and you deal with petty politics when we have got a mammoth task of representing our mandate at national level in the National Assembly. Seningahamba ke lokho nishana ngamaphepha ngo-The Star niprintelwa indaba ze-political party yenu, ziprintwa i-Citizen, ziprintwa amaphepha onwa ama-Rupets, amaphepha onwa amabhunu in order to create and control your political mind and speculations. Nihambe nixabana nenza into eningayazi. Angiyekeni mina no Jesu mayebuya babukhoma uyongithola ngihleli kulo MK ngilinde la kulo MK into eyobe ngilindisa for as long as umlungu ene problem ne MK. I-MK is the way forward. Ithanda into ezondwa umlungu, izonda into ethandwa umlungu. And bathi ke babukhomo nginolaka ngi racist, angifuni umlungu. kwathiwa babukhomo la truth and reconciliation. Uyazi ngiyabamangalela abantu abamnyama mabathi truth and reconciliation. Uyazi babukhomo reconciliation yenzeka kanjani? I-reconciliation, if mina nawe besinobudlelwane ngaphambili, bese maqeda ke manje sihlala phansi sibuyiselane, asikaze sibe nobudlelwane namabhunu thina. Why babesenzela i-truth and reconciliation? Sasireconcilani namabhunu. Kodwa kudala besisanganela la kwa ANC because yini into esasiyireconcile ngoba amabhunu avela aba enemy from the get go, akuna relationship eyake yabakhona. That's why sidideke kanje namhlanje sinabantu abamnyama abazohamba bayovotela iDA. Uyazi why? They want to reconcile with people they've never had a relationship with. It's a political redundancy into yokuthi ungahlala ucabanga ukuthi wena uzoreconcile nomuntu, uxabana nomuntu ke waba nobudlelwane naye. Amabhunu asikaze sibe nobudlelwane nawo, kodwa sahlaliswa phansi kwathiwa truth and reconciliation, kwathiwa forgive. Wafika uDesmond Tutu wathi forgive, sathi ubani apologizile, kodwa still saqhubeka saxola kunga-apologizewanga. Ayikho ipeace engenamnotho. Namanje babukhomo mawuthi ngisafuna ukuyoshaywa umoya ngithola ipeace, funeka ubhadala uhambe uye resort ukuze uzwe inyoni zitswitswiza funeka ukhipha imali uhambe uyoshaywa umoya. Ipeace engenamnotho ayikho. Umuntu omnyama uyazikhohlisa day in and day out, ulokhu busy. We need peace in our land, we need peace. Ukhuluma irhetoric yabelungu. Abelungu babukhomo banayo ipeace ngoba umnotho banawo. Wena muntu omnyama una peace wena, unokubekezela wena, kodwa ipeace awunayo. Into ekwenza ukuthi ungabi na peace, bheka namanje iroof yakho iyalika, ingane yakho uxakekile mayiqeda ukuphasa umatric izoloyithara la elokishini, uxakekile namanje makungathiwa yi-load shedding nemali yogesi awunayo, kodwa hambe uyovotela uDA uthi ufuna ipeace. Awuna peace wena. Ipeace nenhlupheko azicorrespondi. Ipeace nenhlupheko azihambiselani. Babukhomo, lastly sengiphuma ku platform sengehla. Uyabona babukhomo, khona into eyenzeka lapha makukhululwa abantwana bakwa-Israel bekhishwa lapha eGibhithe. Bathi mabekhishwe eGibhithe bejabulile, kuvuleka amasango manje eGibhithe bayaphuma. uNkulunkulu wabamisa egeyidini wathi niyaphi? Niyaphapha, buyelane emuva, hambani niyothatha igolide lelo uMandela avuma ukuthi singalithathi. Kodwa uNkulunkulu yena as a liberator wathi buyelane emuva niyothatha le golide benikade nilisebenza la eGibhithe, niphume nalo le golide because inkululeko yenu angeke ibe nesidima ngaphandle kwegolide. Ukuze inkululeko yenu ibe nedignity kudingeka ukuthi ikhashwe umnotho. Istruggle sethu babukhomo is divided into two. OMandela nabo bonke laba bekhodesa babelwela imovement, thina namhlanje silwela economy. So
ayenzani network manje?
So yabona, so manisazoxakeka babukhomo nixakwe ama-court case withdrawal of IEC. I mean uZuma anga-withdrawa namhlanje, kusasa aphinda abuyele, kusasa aphinda aphume. Angina problem nencane because there is a legal mind called Dalimpofu, there is a legal mind called Judge Hlophe, there is a legal mind ehleli phambi koZuma, and i-withdrawal yakhe ku-case aying-affecting next in terms of my loyalty. Ningahamba nonke babukhomo ningishiye la ku-MK, ngizohlala ku-MK because if you cannot find, if angeke ukhona ukuthola into ekwazi ukukurepresenta kahle politically, then you are lost. If ulandela umsholozi for isikhundla, you are lost. Nalaba enicomplaina ngabo ukuthi baseparliament abadeserve bayekeleni. Only time will tell ukuthi abadeserve heavy, and politics will deal harshly with them. Basuswe ipolitiki bangasuswa yini. Asibayekeni manje and give them all the support that is needed. And nenye into futhi babkhomo, let's not expect leadership to deal with petty politics. Yabo lento leyo ukuthi ufuna ukunakwa wena ngathi uyingane yase crash, ufuna ukunakwa, ufuna ukulande. No, they've got a mammoth task. Labantu baye parliament, labantu bazofunani ku TikTok, bazofunani kuma WhatsApp group. They are novice in parliament, they don't know parliament. And if uzo complain ukuthi khona abantu ababuya ku ANC bese mabaqeda bazofakwa ngapha ku MK and then sebaye parliament, ubufuna onhlamulo baye nobani parliament, because they are not experienced. Every coach will tell you ukuthi isquad sam masiyodlala imatch tough, I need experienced players to mix them with the players who don't have experience, so that at least they can guide these ones abangena experience. Unhlamulo noma ngaba brilliant kangakanani, uyazelaphi parliament, udinga uDes van Rooyen ukuthi akamfundisi ukuthi mfana yazini usharp kule game but bamba ama notes 1 2 3. And so if uzo criticize uDes van Rooyen ukuthi uphuma ku ANC and then the next thing ula ku MK sekasepala, then you are politically stupid. Then we can't even talk to you because you don't understand the dynamics of experience in politics and the role that they play. And ubaba cannot be in parliament, and we know ama reasons wokuthi why nathi singamfune parliament. And so who is going to guide lama combatants lawa we MK ahambayo aye parliament if you are not going to mix it with experience? People, let's not be petty, man. Sloko siza la kulama live sifuna ukunakwa, leadership ayisinake, leadership hey, leadership ithatha mandate yethu sonke, iyahamba manje yo represent mandate eparliament. Sesilwela ukuthi the after 5 years babkhomo into esiyilwelayo ukuthi everybody must have seen how much of a sellout the ANC is, and everybody must have seen ukuthi there is no alternative to a black life, man, ngaphandle kwe MK party. Sesilwela ukuthi sibe the vanguard that will protect the interest of a black economic life. Into esiyilwelayo. So leyo ukuthi sisalwela ukuthi abasinake, mina ngithi abangasinaki babkhoma sinakaneni sodwa. And there's so much that you can do la ku MK. If you are creative, there's so much that you can do la ku MK to keep busy. Okokuqala, we don't have our own media room. People must stand up and think. Bayekele ukufuna ihlalo zase parliament. People must understand ukuthi asina media house la ku MK. We don't have anything that broadcasts specifically ama events wethu. It's time for a black mind to arise and say, I can close this gap la ku MK. La ku MK ngenza shop eThekwini, ngenza shop ezothengisa iregalia ye MK. La ku MK ngingavula library ezo inform about the political history which is genuine, and I'll spend more time nomsholozi getting ama notes from yena and compile a history for generations which are to come, because we don't know how much time we still have. No baba la ku MK I can come in as an advisor, ngivale lesikhala les nales. People must not look for ready positions, and people must not be angry if the MK is not a microwave political party and it's not quick to warm up their food. It is a process. We are on the foundation stages. Siyakha siyaphambili. Sukuma nawe ngoba ubizwanga mawuzala. Sukuma and see ukuthi ungenza kanjani ukuthi le movement yethu ye MK party ibe 1, socially acceptable and vibrant, number 2, politically relevant, number 3, historically relevant to the native of South Africa. Hayi lento yokuthi sonke sefuneka sambe siyolwa silwe. Foot number 3, number 4 babkhomo asina ma headquarters. Asina indawo esibiza ngama headquarters. Those brains are needed. We don't have to sit down isiloko sibhizi sifuna ukuyohlala eParliament esihola 100,000. There's so much that you can do in the MK party that is able to accommodate you and your desires and your ambitions politically. But that we seem to want to do in this political party besides fight for positions. And we will turn into another cope if we are like that, because soloko silo ukuthi ayilo akumelekanga ukuthi abese parliament, ayilo ngathi ubabkhoma ukhuluma kangcono kunaye, wayifuneka bafakelwe ngoba uthulile akenzi. No, leave the leaders and support them. And support them until you understand what we are all carrying a mandate against the white man. Iyo into esiyilwelayo laba bukhomo kuthiwe sihambe siye esentini sa realize ukuthi asinayo imali yetaxi ezosifikisa esentini. Sesilwela umnotho because we've been given the freedom to move, but we have not been given the expression of freedom, and the expression of freedom is economy. We don't want peace. Asina peace, Gina. Asina every black person we want peace, we want peace. No masingeke senze war, no masingeke sambe siyolwa, noma singeke siqala izimpi estradeni, but ipeace asinayo. Kukumanje la kule live khona umama ohleli akazi ukuthi ingane kusasa ziyolala zidleni, insipho yokugeza uniform yomntwana ukuthi akahamba esikolweni makuvula ikolo ayikho, ukuthi ingane maziqeda ukufunda zizoyangana euniversity akazi. How do you have peace in such a state? Uba ne peace kanjani? Asike siyekeleni ukukhuluma ama rhetoric akhulunywa amabhunu. They are imposing peace on us the same way they imposed reconciliation, but they never had a relationship with us. The same way they imposed forgiveness and they never said sorry. Now they are imposing peace. We're getting into a government of national unity. Let there be peace. We just want peace. Helen Zilu yakwazi ukukhuluma ngepeace ngoba yena ulale edlile every night. Ingane zakhe aziswelanga lutho. Tina, we can't talk peace. Impilo zethu they are turmoil. We can't talk peace. Makuzimvula abanye abajabuli because they know ukuthi funeka ngibeka amabhakede ayi6 or 7 la endlini ngoba imbobo kuyanethela. I can't even afford idam course yokuthi ngivale phezulu umkhukhu wami unganethi. How do you have peace? Uyifuna kanjani peace umnotho ungenawo? That is why ke uNkulunkulu babukhomo wababulala bonke abantwana bakwaIsrael ehlane. Uyazi isizathu sokuthi ababulale yini? Ngininika inkululeko mangiqeda nganika igolide kodwa still nisafuna ukubuyela emuva. Because ayikho into ekufuneka ikubuyisele emuva eGibhithe uma ngabe umnotho uphethe. So asikakakhululeki until size sithole umnotho nomhlaba wethu. Yonke lento eyenziwa iANC asibonge nje unxamalala ukuthi ukwazile ukuyi-expose yonke, and we were able to see ukuthi kanti noma le esesiyilandela akusaseyiyo. So hambani nonke babukhomo, mina istatement sami yileso ukuthi manikwatiswa ama-withdrawal wama-case nisakwatela into eyincane kusazoshuba la ku-MK internally, kusazoba kubi la sisazobambana ngama-washing. Kodwa into ebalulekile asivaleni iminyango izitha zingaboni. Angithi besenza kanjalo nakwaKhongolose before kube yiyo yonke le damtiriri yabofikile embalula, besivala iminyango kwaKhongolose, sivale kubanjwane ngama-washing ngaphakathi, masiphume sismayila sonke. Nala kwa-MK high discipline, high moral, asingavezi laundry yethu for the whole world to see. La kwa-MK asibe ne-discipline ukuthi asisizane sakheni i-structure la, because sonke size as volunteers here. And so since sonke size njengama-volunteer, it has to be ukuthi i-structure siyas-implementa ukuthi sibe visible. Maqala kuvela ingxabano nama-misunderstanding, asivaleni amakhethini, asivaleni iminyango, sishayaneni la ngaphakathi, sishayaneni ngaphandle kungabonwa lutho. Masiphuma because we are an intimidation to white monopoly capital. We are a threat to the white establishment and the system. We are a threat to the markets. Asingazini kuma social media platforms sizojabulisa ama markets. Size kuma social media platforms sizojabulisa i white establishment and white monopoly capital. No, when we are here, let's maintain high discipline and build this movement and siyithathe and take it to greater heights. Asingashayanini kuze kujabula izitha zihambisa ama voice recording zilokho zikhuluma ngathi ukuthi babuke uKhanyile ngangingamthanda uKhanyile kodwa ngangivala umlomo ngithe tu ngithule nya ngithi i-leadership izomsota out, izomsolve, and things went my way. If things did not go my way, I will still support uKhanyile. Why ngimsupport? Because he's an irritation to Helen Zille and he's an irritation to white establishment. I'll support him noma ngabe ngingamthandi because u-irritate lento engihlukumezayo. Sometimes babu Khomo ufune kusupport into, ufune kusupport umuntu ungamthandi because lo muntu is a threat and an irritation to lento ehlukumeza wena. We need to develop that mentality ukuthi MK is in parliament representing us. Asingayidonseli phansi ukuthi wozani buyane ebantwini nizokhuluma, bazokhuluma kanjani nelegislature makusameleke baphinde futhi bazokhuluma nathi. Why singaziqoqi thina sikhulisa umqondo wethu siphuhlisa umqondo wethu and let our leaders administrate the mandate at national level. Ngiyabonga Baba Khomo.
Yeah, ngifuna ukuyicorrect Baba Khomo ngoba abantu thina abantu abamnyama sihamba sivukwe idemoni le-cannibalism. Sesidlana sodwa manje. We are eating each other. Ubanu besethu, that's a cannibalism. La kukhona khona uthando, kukhona inhliziyo. Abantu bafuna ukubona iqembu labo linqoba. Abantu babuzwa ngabantu emgwaqeni, bahlekwa ngabantu emgwaqeni. Bafuna ukuzibona bengama victors, bafuna ukubona umholi wabo ehlula izitha. Uma ngabe kuqhamuka imessage isigijima yonke indawo, abantu they are hurt. Imimoya yabantu izothunukala. Umuntu mayimoya wakho usuthunukele uzokhuluma noma yini enze noma sikanjani. Umoya ngeke ungaphakama. Ake ngikwenzele example ngoPrince. Bengikhona ku live kaPrince. I was the one who was commenting nami umoya mbuphakeme. Ake ngikutshele nje example ngoPrince. uPrince indawo ahlala kuyo ngiyazi nendawo operator kuyo ngiyazi. uPrince ubu operator ngo TikTok aphinda operate on the ground. uPrince lapha ya yena neteam yakhe akasebenzisanga ubuskills epolitiki, usebenzisa ama skills akhe emarketing nawo kwa sales. Wawini what enkulu lapha eKatoras, the biggest what wayiwinela umkhonto yena, hayi leadership, ayiwinwanga leadership ya what iwino uPrince himself. And laba abantu laba anything bazayibuza kuye. Uyayibona iposition akuyo akwati, and yena uzothola into kwi-media uzaphendula thini kubantu. Iposition imbeka kuphi, imbeka akwata. Ushuthi kanti indoda bowumisleader nje bewudlala ngathi ayikho lento le. Uyabona? So guys, we have to do the correct ngoba once saqala saba bias, abantu they will judge us wrongly. I-biasness, we don't have to put i-biasness in any form. Iqiniso we rather stand for it. Libaba linjalo libita, we rather stand for it. Uyabona njengamanje i-leadership ngiyazi ukuthi ilalele iyezwa. In case even in future, in case kuzothintwa into sensitive njengalo, abantu they rather bathole bona bezwe through iparty yabo rather than ukuthi bayizwe lento kwi-media ngoba if isiqhamuka kwi-media it's very very hectic. It's very very hectic. Usufonelwa ngama enemies akho. Lento yena ayikho nini. Yabona? It's very very hurting. Abantu ba hurt. Yini indlela esingayibeka ngayo sizoshintsha kanjani sothi hayi bazenzisa whatsoever bebefuna ikhundla bake ba complainela ikhundla abantu akaze ba complainela ikhundla abantu abantu bafuna bakhala ngama result
yebo babusokhula silungisi akekho umuntu othe bakhalela ikhundla ne lapha yana babusokhula basingenile lapha yana imoya biphezulu kakhulu futhi ububona futhi ukuthi indlela imoya ephezulu ngayo ayikho futhi into abantu abafuna ukuyizwa.
Yes, bekuyi-venting and it's very important. Mayengenzekanga
leyanto babusokhulu ye-withdrawal ayikhishwanga umkhonto wesizwe yokuthi umkhonto wesizwe withdrawal. Sonke
yikhona kokukhanda inkinga babukho. Yikho kokukhanda inkinga lokho ukuthi ayiqhamukanga ngomkhonto wesizwe. Uyabona abantu biqhamuke kumkhonto wesizwe, abantu bidelive unhlamulo leyanto leyana.
Babu sokhulu.
Inkinga akazi bebikho.
Babu sokhulu. I-leadership biyakaqedi ukuthi ibe nama meeting yokuthi kwazi ukuthi ibuye izokwenza inokhunje ebantwini ekutsheni ichazela abantu ukuthi no lena akuyona i-withdrawal yecala. Yayibona yiloyo oposte le poste khona alikakazi isolezwe likhulume kahle ngathi ayikazi media ikhulume kahle ngathi kodwa imedia lento ithathe yayibona yayenze yayo yayiphusha yona lento le. Siqale nini thina ukukholwa imedia? Siqale nini thina ukuthi into eqhamuka ngemedia siyithathe sigijime nayo ngaphansi sizwe i-leadership? Zingaki inqumo ezathathwa i-leadership ingazange izikhulume nathi?
Mana ke babukho. Uyabona nje mina ke ngikutshele nje. Uyabona nje lento le ngiyithole kuma social group WhatsApp wama MK. Abantu abayibelieve lento. But kuqhamuka istatement esesiqhamuka aka IEC abantu ba share le statement bathi surely how why bangasitshela why bangasitshela nga leadership ukuthi thatha le decision. That is where the problem is. The problem is not ukuthi ku withdraw a case. The problem it's a communication ukuthi why siqhamuka sizotshelwa ngama enemies ethu. Uyayibona ibetrayal ukuthi kuphi? Ibetrayal uyabona kuyini babukhomo lento asino practical silikhuluma iqiniso ngoba uma ngabe si defender iqiniso abantu inkumbi zabantu yilalele. Abantu they will keep quiet but imqondweni yabo they think otherwise. We must be straight to the truth. Noma ngabe painful. Uyabona kuyifamily yakini. Uma ngabe bezohlaba inkomo benza umcimbi. Noma kuzoshona umuntu baze bamngcwabe. Uzwe ngoba usuzwa ula ukhona ukuthi hayibo ngisemngcwabeni wakini bekungcwatshubana kuyifamily yakini. Uzophatheka kanjani? I-leadership yethu uku-accuser ukukhuluma ukublame imistake noma ngabe kusebandleni lesonto noma ngabe kusefamilini noma ngabe kuseklasini lesikole noma kusemsebenzini noma kuyi-political party never make you an enemy of that political party. Uma ngabe siyiqembu lepolitiki ukuthi abantu uma ngabe beka izinto ukuthi into ethile is wrong bese sithi bangama enemy, then we don't deserve ukuba iqembu elibusa kwi-democratic country. This is a democratic state and everything needs to be operated in a democratic way. And abantu, they have a right ukuthi bafile the way abafikela ngakhona, bakhulume the way abakhuluma ngakhona, bavente ama emotions abo the way abaventa ngakhona. Then thina we look iweight ama emotions abantu, then we do a correction ukuthi okay, if ukuso yipi iway forward. Yes command.
Ziningi babsokhulu izinto imedia ebiyikhuluma ngomkhonto wesizwe. Kodwa thina besikade tafika.
Yes.
Iqiniso besikade sisitholela thina ngokwethu. Imedia isikushiya.
Unhlamulo begijima phambili.
Yes babsokhulu.
Unhlamulo besuke segijime phambili. Unhlamulo besuke segijime phambili.
Babsokhulu. Asiluma babsokhulu silungise. Ufike uAtazwane wabhala iletha esho ukuthi uyaresigna uAtazwane. But imedia yathi uZuma uxoshe uAtazwane. Yabo, but into ebaluleke kakhulu thina ukuthi ziningi izinto imedia ezivezayo kodwa thina siyakwazi ukulinda ileadership sithole iqiniso linjengoba linjalo. Yona into leyo ebaluleke kakhulu leyo.
Can I interject?
Siqaleni ukubelieve kwimedia.
Uyabona leka Atazwane. Okay.
Ungena nje kancane. Yabona babukhomo khona into ekufanele si understand labafethu. abantu abacontrol umuntu awubaholela umkhonto abantu njengoba belana yabona le example oyenzayo ukuthi kwaphuma iletha kaSG ukuthi use resignile yaphuma phambili imidi iqhamuke kamuva fanele sicorrect nje lokho kuse-early iqhamuke phambili letha and ama statement amaningi abeqhamuka phambili ukuze adefend ukuthi imedia ingaqhamuki into engifuna ukuya kuyona babukhomo ukuthi sekunezikhathi eziningi abantu beloku bekhala ukuthi i-leadership ithule ingathule ngezinto kuphela ayiveli ke nje kwakubantu izokhuluma ngisho emagroupini yabo lento le ngesikhathi adungifonela wazone Zoom meeting ngoba busokhulu wangifonela I was phoned by a lot of people because they didn't know what was happening yabo ngaleso sikhathi I was busy with my business on a Zoom meeting ngathi ngizobuye nginifonela lento lena kuze kwakhona umuntu oba aggravated wesifazane egroupini yeKZN wathi kahle i-leadership isisenza amathuluzi yini njengoba ithula kanje that's why they started reacting bekhipha le ncwadi asebeyikhipha i-problem babukhoma kufanele lento babusokhula zama ukuyichaza kwawena ula fanele ukwazi ukuthi I control i-leadership le platform eyakho wayivulela wena ayikholeli ukuthi singakubind ukuthi ungazenze ezinye izinto as much as nabanye abantu futhi ayibacontrol yabo that's the danger that they're not seeing ukuthi abantu baneyinhliziyo they will react kumele benze awubavanzi sebethula mase beqala bekhipha amagama bethi asingenziwa amathuluzi because bayakwazi from kagogo yabo if usuzothi wena usuthule abantu sebeqala bekhipha yabona nje ama message ade ngiwathola awu abasasinaki ngoba sebese parliament ibhlungu mase kuphuma inkulumo nje sigade khomo leyo nto bafethu yabo asigadeni leyo nto singabafuni ukuthi silokhu sithi sizoyinabikelisa lena thina sicela ku-leadership ayenze njengoba de ibithi mayiphuma enkantolo noncamalala yenza statement there and there yini manje lesihlukile yini lesihlukile abantu bebesibuza ngecase yaseMaritzburg no one knew ukuthi what was happening was out of the loop lesihlukile abantu bebesibuza ngecase yaseMaritzburg no one knew ukuthi what was happening was out of the loop lesihlukile abantu bebesibuza so kuzoba buhlungu if bengagijimi thina sicelayo abakabavele nje just ukuvela ileyo nto abantu abayicelayo if bese bezothula lento isihamba nokuthi amagama asephuma abathi sebenempakamo yabo sekwenzeka same thing eyenzeka lapho i-leadership ayibe consistent njengoba deconsistent adikwenza ngaphambilini if ukuthi ayikwenzi lokho iyona ezokwenza ukuthi abantu baphakanyelwe imoya i-reaction yabo njengoba be-reaction ngalento kuze kuphuma le ncwadi ngisho zabameli baka ama-attorneys akaxulu ekhipha it's because abantu they were reacting on the groups
imani ingane zakwethu imani maphumulo bafowethu imani maphumulo yabona ngane zakwethu njengamanje i-leadership bafowethu mina njengokhomo ne
awuleke ngicela ungilalela kancane futhi
ima maphumulo ngoba into enza njengamanje angifuni mina ukuthi sigcina siblame leadership sibe leadership ngendlela engazi ukuthi ayenzi kahle khona yabo uma ngabe kukhona into i-leadership engayenzi kahle yini lesehlulayo thina yokuthi sidonse ingcingo sibafonele uma kukhona leadership la ingenzi kahle khona akwazi ukuthi singafika sidobe la siphinde futhi simoshe futhi la
Komo cela ukuphendula kulo mbuzo khona uzoyibona nawe ayikhumbula ivideo yakho eyayithi abantu uma bethi abakhampenile uthunywa ubani uma uku TikTok uthunywa ubani kwakusho
yes
ukuthi abantu abalawulwa yi-leadership yayizwa leyo nto izinto ngendlela osigada ke leso statement ngoba abantu kushuthi bayathatha nangalekho ukuthi angithunywa ngayizela la futhi ngi-MK futhi ngizosho into engiyithandayo asingayinabukelisi bafethu thina
imali maphumulo mfowethu imali maphumulo Imama Phumulo unazi inamba zabaholi nama leaders. Lokhu Maphumulo okhala ngakho manje wake wabafonela yini wabatshe bafowethu aniveli ebantwini anibonakala ebantwini wake wayini isikhathi ukuthi ubafonele kuloyo nto leyo ubachazele njengabantu oke ucommunicate nabo kwezinye izinto.
That's the only person mina manje ama-leader u2 engizokutshela ngawo aphendule izinto aba responsive uThulani kube umuzi Ntshingile. The rest uthi uyabathumela bakubuke nje. Yabo? So uzothi umfonelelani lo muntu ngeke phela uthi nawe ukufanele ngabe manje kufanele ulokhu ulandela umuntu ebeyibonile ukuthi into ibalekile and ubuzwa abantu on the ground. Ngiyakwenza mina ngiyawasenda ama message.
Yeah, but Maphumulo I guess
abadelegateelwe yona ukuthi kufanele babuye bazocommunicate nabantu abaphansi.
Akise yes Maphumulo ake sibe nendlela ke yokuthi ke labantu laba okuyibona abantu abakhona ake sihlale phansi nabo ke sibathi nansi inkinga la ikhona because awukwazi ukuthi indawo la sidonsa khona abantu khona sitshela abantu khona siphinde futhi thina futhi sibuye futhi thina futhi sizoshaya leadership khona futhi lapho kulo ndawo le akukwazi ngane zakwethu akukwazi bafowethu. Noma ngathiwa sidinwe ngayiphi indlela endinwe ngayo kodwa asikwazi ukuthi uTikTok la sikwazi ukulanda abantu khona ngawo siphinde futhi thina futhi sishaye khona ama leader ethu khona no ngane zakwethu asikwazi ukwenza lokho asikwazi ngane zakwethu. Yes siyavuma ukuthi uTikTok bafowethu siyavuma ukuthi
babukhomo engathi kune misunderstanding la akekho umuntu ohlaselwayo la
babusukulu
kune situation right now kunesimo right now esikhona abantu imimoya iphakeme manje
la asikwazi
yeah babukhomo njengamanje kunesimo right now imimoya yabantu iphakeme abantu ba derailed njengamanje we are doing the situation control. First of all, allow the people to say whatever is in their heart. If venting is very important.
Babophi mlomo engakusho omngcono ukuthi uma ukuthi
basatshiswe
lokuthi ngcono sivule o live nomba nakavula live ashafuna ukukusho bafowethu ikona engakusho.
No, mina angihlaseli
ukuthi
mina ngithi mina abantu
mase yahamba
i-concern yami ithi mina i-concern yami isimple nje Bukhomo ithi umuntu ophetheke kabi one-anger asikwazi ukuthi simlebule silingise i-ANC ukuthi mangabe umuntu ekhuluma iqiniso kwi-ANC bathi uyi-counter revolutionary. Kwagogo asikwazi ukwenza lonto leyo kwagogo sibalekele lokho ukuthi kwagogo uma ngabe uveza iconcern bayakulebula abathu into ethile abakwazi ukumukela ukuthi lento oyikhulumayo uyikhuluma based on reasons. Ile-labeling le engiyiphikisa ukuthi asikwazi ukuthi siyophihlika kalula if sizoba so if sizothatha if kuzothi mangabe kune damage kuthi abantu mangabe beveza ama concern abo bese siba Georgia ngemilo esweni sithi ngoba nikhuluma so yingoba ninto ethile. We are destroying the party. I personally told uPrince ngathi mina Prince my ethi asihlale phansi ngathi mina
babusokolo ngiyacela baba ngiyacela baba kule platform le kakhoma ngiyacela sivaleni ngiyacela angivalo ukuthi ikhulunywe ungavulwa omunye live ikhulunywe but kule ngiyacela bathi lo ngiyacela kule yakhomo sivaleni kule kakhomo ngiyacela sivaleni ungavula nje omunye live ikwazi ukukhulunywa iye phambili but ngiyacela nje kule sivaleni ngane zakwethu angikwazi ukuthi indawo mina engikwazi ukulanda khona abantu ngiphinde futhi mina futhi angikwazi ukwenza lokho. Ngiyacela
hayi ngiyehla babukhomo ngezansi akunankinga babukhomo akunankinga
ulungile
hayi akunankinga babukhomo kodwa nje bengikhala ukuthi ama-comrade awangaxabani mangabe kukhona athukwa ngoba bakhuluma okuseyihlizweni zabo just asimukele silungise isimo.
Kulungile babusokho siyabonga ukuqonda manje. Sister D Sister D ukhona? Mangamncane mangabe ukhona request yawo la ozokhuluma lento le ngiyamkhipha angikhulumi ngane zakwethu mina angizile la ukuzokulwa ne leadership angizile nalokho mawukuthi nje umuntu ulana uzofight bafuthi mina angeni lapho please ngane zakwethu mangamncane